So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you shiver. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a quick and easy Dollar Tree Valentine's Gnome. And for this DIY, all you're gonna need is a comb that you could get from Dollar Tree, some fluffy stuff, which if you have some laying around the house, just find it or whatever. One of those tinsel, wire tinsels that you can also get from the Dollar Tree, and some yarn. And of course, your glue gun. So let's get started, guys. Okay, guys, the first step, we're gonna put some glue on here from the glue stick. Glue, using our glue gun. And I'm just seeing if this way will make it go by quicker. We'll just put 2 lines on it so it can stick. And then you can just obviously take your yarn. I didn't go far enough. Oh my God, y'all. And start wrapping, guys. Boop. And just keep wrapping until your thing is completed. So I'm gonna finish wrapping this and I'll be back in a second. Okay, guys, after you finish doing your cone with the yarn, put that to the side, and then we're gonna do the braids, the hair for your gnome. So you're gonna take 3 little pieces of the fluffy stuff and just gather it together. It usually form like this if you just press it, but make 3 long pieces. Hopefully y'all can still see it. So then at the top of it, you're gonna do like you would braid a hair. Put 1 over. So it's gonna be like this. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Okay. And you're just gonna keep doing that pattern as if you're braiding hair for real. You can make it as tight or as loose as possible. If you mess up, of course you already know you can start over, and then that will form your braid of your doll's hair. And I'm gonna make mine a little tighter, but you get the gist of how I did her braid. Okay, guys, so I got my little braids done. I also wanted to let y'all know I end up using this tacky glue, which you could get from the Dollar Tree as well, on my cone to help it, stick better. Because the hot glue was just not working for me. But it's the same concept. Just put the glue on and wrap the yarn around. But this is the glue I got used. So now I'm going to put my ponytails, my braids on my troll or gnome. So what I'm going to do is hot glue this on top of here. Do-do. I'm gonna go a little high, guys. Little high. Uh-oh. Freaking A. I think that's good. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Okay. So I glued it on top. And then, of course, I'm going to do the other side as well. kind of excessive. I don't think I did that right. Huh? Look about right. So, and what I'm going to do next is get some more yarn and wrap it around so you can't see the ponytails. So, I'm going to use my tacky glue again, and then I'm going to wrap it around, and I'll be back to show you guys the next step. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. She still needs to dry a little more because you can see some of the glue still on her, but overnight she will be fine. But I added the little wooden nose, which is just a wooden little peg, and I added yarn for her little bows at the end of her braids. Oh, and I got some of the fluffy stuff, made a little pom-pom, and added at the top. I think she's so cute, guys. But have at it to be creative. Create your own Valentine gnome with whatever color you choose, and add whatever accessories. I love her. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Sunday, and happy Valentine's Day, guys.